CEG stock analysis, this for tomorrow and onward. So in this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Constellation Energy stock is a buy or not for me. Last time I made a video, this was so low. And yeah, this was back in May, 7th of May, actually, just 3 weeks ago. And yeah, it was like 274. I expected it to kind of come a little bit lower. It did had this retracement, right? So no sweat there. But ultimately, the outcome of that was not me just delivering towards the highs. Was just kind of like letting it go without me. And then because we're seeing a bigger correction today, only if I do see the price giving me the rules here, this is going to be perfect for a long opportunity. And guess what? If no rules are met, then I am not gonna buy. Very simple, straight up to the point. So all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.